Hello guys, welcome to my Wiweb channel, and today in this video I show you how to make money by using your phone. So let's start it. So first of all, go and open your Play Store. This Play Store is open and search on search bar Canva. Okay, this is Canva. This is graphic designing app and it's 50 million plus download. It's installing. Wait some time after the installing for next step. After open this app, we have three signing options. I am signing with Google. Its interface of Canva after the signing. Using this app, you make logo, banners, YouTube thumbnails, and YouTube arts, everything. Make the graphic designing related projects by freelancing websites like logo, banner designing, etc. Design graphics by using this software and make money every day. Have a lot of options in this app. Look, have a lot of logos, designing options. For doing this work, follow the steps. So friends, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and share this video with your friends.